so they broke into the store. They sell wigs, nice hair product here. So we're changing out the glass. So the store got broken into here. So beauty. So we're putting in the laminated safety glass right here. So sanding it, just cut it. I didn't make a video with it getting cut, but this is a laminated safety glass. That's Amscot over there. So this is in Clermont. The glass is installed, and they have some nice oils here, some nice stuff, wigs, earrings. And look at the oil. They have the nice oils. So right here in Clermont, beautiful stuff, so beauty. So we just installed the glass. So we've been working for the store for like 10 years. They've been here in Clermont a long time.